In front of me is Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can resize icons on this Xiaomi. First of all, you need to hold your device's display. Now tap on this gear icon at the bottom right corner. After that, tap on More, scroll down and select Icon Size. Lastly, swipe left or right in order to adjust them, and when you're ready, click on Home button. As you can see after that, size of my icons has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!